Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to my channel if you are new. My name is Kristen. Hello, welcome. In today's video I'm going to be doing my first Boxycharm unboxing. I have July and August's box right here. The July box came on Tuesday and today is Thursday, and I got my August box. So I did open my July box already, and I'm gonna show you guys what I got, and I'm also just gonna show you guys what I got for August because I don't know what's in there yet. So if you guys want to see what I got, then keep watching. So I jumped on the Boxycharm train and I do not regret it. I signed up pretty much immediately right after I canceled my Yes So Yes subscription. If you guys want to know why I canceled that, I'll link that down below. But Boxycharm already seems better, and I've only opened one box. I have used two of the things that I got, and I'll tell you what they are right now. So the first thing that I got, and I got this for free when I signed up, is this Glam Glow Insta Mud 60-second pore refining treatment. So I used this last night and it just really helps clean out your pores and just basically cleanses the skin really like deep cleanse, and helps refine the pores, obviously, like it says. And I think it also said it helped with like discoloration on the face or something like that. This was really fun. It foamed up on the face. So I have a question for anyone that may have this, and let me know in the comments down below if you could answer my question. When I used this last night, I think I rubbed it into the skin too much, and it says don't rub it into your skin because it won't foam up that way. So how do you apply this? Like, do you just apply a little bit to your hands and just like dab it onto your face? Like, what do you do so you don't rub it in? Because I had to do this twice, and the second time I did it, it really started to foam up and it was super fun to do. But I just want to know, like, how do you use this? Let me know in the comments down below. So let's unbox the July box. So excited. So first we got this coupon for the Ulta Skin Bar, and this expired like literally 2 days before I got my box, which is okay. It's totally okay, because I don't even know if my Ulta does that. I doubt they do. So then we have the card. This card tells you the prices and descriptions of the product, which Yes So Yes didn't do that. If you guys remember, they got sketchy and quit that. But the July theme was all natural, and then on the back we have all the products. So the first product is the Ellimist Superfood Vital Veggie Mask, and this retails for $35. I already used this and my skin felt really nice after using it. I really did like it. This said that you should be careful if you use it because it might stain your towel. When I do masks, sometimes I'll put them on before I shower, and then once they're done, I'll rinse them off in the shower, which I'm sure you're really not supposed to do, but I do it anyway. So just be careful about that if you have this mask and were not aware of that. But otherwise, I really did like this. This is a treatment mask that nourishes, smooths, brightens the skin, and I really think it did all of that, which I really like. Next up is this 3-piece brush set from Luxy, and this retails for $30. So this is a blending brush, and it is their $2.50. And personally, I think this will be good for days when I'm feeling extremely lazy and just want to pop one eyeshadow on my lid, and I can just blend that on really quickly. So I'm excited to use this for doing that. That is something I've been loving to do, just take one eyeshadow and smear it all over the lid and just like blend it really nicely around the edges. I think it looks so pretty, and it's just like such an effortless look. Then next we have the 246, which is the Precision Crease Brush, and I personally think that this brush will be really good for cut creases. Someone else in their unboxing said that as well. I think it was Melissa Ann. I might be wrong though, but she is totally right. It's just that perfect size to get a cut crease. So next tutorial I film, I will do a cut crease and use this brush. And then we have the 510, which is the foundation brush, and this, I don't really like using these kind of brushes for foundation, but it's a good mask brush. So once my e.l.f. one is just gross and I need to throw it away, I will be using this one because it just looks perfect for applying masks. Next up, we have these spa cleansing water cloths from Kojendo, and they retail for $17. They sound really nice. It says that they're convenient cotton cleansing spa water cloths. They remove waterproof makeup and impurities while nourishing the skin with mineral rich cleansing spa water. So I'm excited to use these. I am traveling soon, so these will be in my travel bag because they sound perfect for traveling. It's like one less thing you have to, like, I don't have to pack my micellar water or something because I have these, so that's one less thing I have to pack. Next up, we have this Ofra liquid lipstick in the shade Santorini, and this retails for $20. I'm not gonna lie, I'm gonna be completely honest and say I was not thrilled when I saw this color. It's a pretty color, it's just not my favorite. I felt like it's a little too purpley, and there, I don't know if you could see on camera, but there is some like shimmer in it. But then I put it on my lips and realized that you can really build this up. This is what the shade looks like. It is a really pretty color. And this is just like a little sheer wash, but once it dries down a little bit, you can definitely build it up. And I had just put a little light wash on my lips and I just felt like it looked really pretty. So I actually do like this and I'm not that mad that I got it. It's just, I kind of wish it was a different color, but it's okay, I'll deal. And then the last thing we got in the July box is this Butter London Natural Goddess eyeshadow palette that retails for $32. These shadows, I swatched them the other day. I was blown away. They're gorgeous. So first we have Enchantress. I don't know how to say it, I'm so bad at words. Really pretty gold champagne-y color. Then we have Queen, which is a more bronzy color. Then we have Star, which is this really pretty green. Then Diva, which is like, I don't really know how to describe this, but it's like a more coppery color. Then we have Temptress, which is a nice chocolate matte brown shade. And then we have Femme Fatale, which is a really pretty blue. Probably won't use the blue because you guys know how I feel about blues, but I'm really excited for this palette. I'm going to film a tutorial with it next week and see how they perform on the eyes. I mean, the swatches look really promising. Now we're on to August's unboxing. So I have no idea what's in here. They had 2 variations of the box, and I can tell you right now, I'm really excited. So their theme this month is totally Boxycharm, so I'm just gonna put the card down right here. The first product I'm actually really excited to use in the winter time, which kind of stinks because it is gonna be a little while, and that is the Becca Hydra Mist and Refresh powder, and this retails for $39. So this is just a setting powder, and it says that it's weightless powder, sets and refreshes makeup for a silky, smooth, invisible finish. Formulated with 50% water and glycerin, the powder creates a mist-like sensation on the skin for a seamless finish and comfortable feel. So that's why I'm really excited for it, because I have really dry skin and normal setting powders just don't work out for me. Plus, this is my first Becca product, which is a little exciting because I feel like everyone talks about Becca and I'm just like, I don't own that. So now I have something from Becca. Next up is this Wander Glow Ahead Illuminating Oil, and this retails for $42. So this helps hydrate and it absorbs into the skin, revealing bouncy, useful complexion no matter what skin type you have. It's a lightweight, powerful formula, nourishes and primes the skin to help restore the skin's moisture barrier while providing a youthful glow. This sounds super duper nice. Again, another good product for probably when it's cooler out. It's 90 degrees here right now, so I probably won't really be using this because my skin isn't as dry feeling as it has or will be in a couple of months. So yeah, that's a product I'm gonna hold off on using as well. Next up, we have the Tarte Big Ego Mascara, and this retails for $23. So this is going to help lift your lashes and deliver a fully loaded flutter for up to 16 hours. God, I can't read. This is what the brush looks like. Kind of looks like the Too Faced Better Than Sex brush and the L'Oreal Lash Paradise. I'm curious to see how this is going to work. I've only tried one Tarte mascara, and it is the Lights Camera Lashes, and I hate that mascara. So normally I just give those to my mom because she really likes it. I don't like it at all, so I hope this one is okay. Next up, we got a Steve Laurent lip liner, and this retails for $15. This is a really pretty color. It's like a nice mauve-y kind of shade. I really like that. This I think will look good on pretty much any skin tone, which is really nice that they didn't just stick to one shade. or just, you know, like one really bold shade. This is pretty nude and night wearable in my opinion, so I really do like that. The last two products I got are from Ace Beauté, and they're the Glimmer Shadow Duos, and they retail for $25. These kind of look like Super Shock shadows just from the packaging. So first we have Iced Latte, and it looks like a really pretty bronzy coppery shade. Ooh, that is really pretty. They feel just like the Super Shock shadows as well, but I really like that shade. And then next is a like pinky peachy shade, and I think the shade is in Cotton Candy. Yes, Cotton Candy. And like I said, this is like a more pinky peachy shade. It almost looks like it has like, oh, it's like a duochrome. It has like pink and gold. I don't know if you guys can tell reflex in it, but it is really pretty. These are gonna look really pretty on the eyes, so I'm really excited to use these as well. So that is it for my July and August Boxycharm unboxing. I'm really excited to use all these products because they all look amazing. I really like the different variations between the boxes and how you're not just constantly getting like a palette, some lip products, an eyeliner, you know, like they mixed it up, and I really like that, and I'm excited to see what the future boxes hold, because I think so far that this is a great subscription. If you liked this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red button down below to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Don't forget to follow me on all my social media as well. That's always linked down below in the description box. If you guys have any video suggestions, please let me know in the comments down below. If you want to see any videos with any of these specific products, let me know, and I will film them and get them up for you ASAP. Or in September, because I don't have a lot of video ideas for September. Or if you just want to leave a comment saying hey, please do that too. I love getting your comments. If you are leaving comments and following me on all my social media, then that gives you a chance to get a shout out in my next video. If you want to know how you can get a shout out, all you have to do is make sure you're following me on Twitter. I'll have tweets that say retweet for a shout out. Follow me on Instagram. I'll have questions in my captions or on my stories, and if you answer them, that'll get you a shout out. Or if you just leave nice comments on my videos, that helps you get a shout out as well. So today's shout out is right here. Thank you so much for your support, and that is all I have to say. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.